how I generated 1.08 million naira in 10 days and got paid 540,000 naira as an affiliate right here in Nigeria, coming up. Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Oh, it's been a long time I updated my YouTube account. I've been pretty busy, but I promise this new year I'm going to upload a new make money video at least once a week. So if you are new to my YouTube channel, our channel is all about how to make money using the internet right here in Nigeria. So if you are new, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel so that you can get more videos and step-by-step tutorials on how you can make some extra money. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you how I generated 1.08 million naira in just 10 days and got paid 540,000 naira as an affiliate with Facebook ads. This video is brought to you by Onome, Maureen and incomebycommand.com. Now in the next few minutes you're going to see when I log into my Expertnaire affiliate account to show you some live stats, so you know that this is real, not Photoshop. This is gonna be live. Let's go there right now. Just before I log in, let me quickly tell you more about this affiliate product. So the affiliate product actually cost 30,000 naira and my commission as an affiliate was 50%, which means I earned 15,000 naira per sale, and I did it purely using the internet and Facebook ads. All right, now you may be asking, what is the name of this affiliate product? I'm going to show it to you. I'm going to tell you. The name of the affiliate product is called the 72-hour income generator, and like I told you, it costs 30,000 naira and I got paid 15,000 naira per sale. Now I ran my Facebook ads for 10 days and on the 10th day I made 9 sales. First of all through the days I've been making sales, right from the first day, the second day, the third day, but on the 10th day I sold 9 copies of the product. So my income was 9 sales times 15,000 naira, means that in one day, on the 10th day, I got paid 135,000 naira in one day. Yes, 9 sales. So 9 times 15,000 naira gives you 135,000 naira. Now, the previous day, which was the 9th day, I made 7 sales. So 7 times 15,000 naira means I earned 105,000 naira in one day. So if you add the two of them together, that's that's over 200,000 naira, at least 240,000 naira in one day. Now let me log on to my Expertnaire account. I just want to show you what I'm going to be paid this week Friday and how much I have made within the last 10 days. So let's go there now. This is my Expertnaire account. As you can see, my name at the top right corner, Onome, Maureen and affiliate stats. So you know that this is my dashboard. All right. So this is the all-time sales, 218 sales, and then my all-time earnings is 2.6 million naira. And wait, within the last 10 days, okay, I generated 557,000 naira as an affiliate. That is the money they are going to be paying to me. All right, so it means that, and I told you that the commission is 50%. It means that within 10 days, I generated over 1 million naira. So half of that gives 557,000 naira. So the next payout, because Expertnaire pays you every Friday, every week. So my 1 week's commission for last week, which I was going to be paid, that's why you are seeing next payout is 227,000 naira. So what I have left will be about 300,000 naira. Okay, so This is how much I generated within 10 days, 557,000 naira. Now, how did I do this? Is this magic? Is this a trick? No, it is not. This is the reason why I encourage you to join my training so that you can know exactly how I'm doing this. All right, so let us go on and continue with this video. I want to show you some more things. Now, the next thing is to go to my affiliate sales. So click on it. And now you can see affiliate sales at the top, and look at how much, look at the date, 14th of August, down. You can see 14th of August, one day. Now let me show you today's date. So I'm shooting this video Thursday, 15th of August. So you know that this video is fresh. This is just yesterday's stats. How much sales did I make yesterday, 14th of August? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Woo! 9 sales, like I showed you in previously. So 9 times 15,000 naira gave 100, and how much is that again? 105 or 135,000 naira. So the cost of the product is 30,000 naira, and my affiliate commission is 15,000 naira. And this is the product I was selling, 72-hour income generator program. So this is for real. This is something that you can do. As you can hear, I'm a female, I'm doing this, I'm being successful at it. You can do it as well. It's not rocket science. What you need is a credible guide. What you need is a coach who has done it before, not done it 3 years ago, not done it 2 years ago. I'm talking about somebody who is doing it right now and will also teach you how to do it. Today is 15th of August 2019, and yesterday was 14th of August, where I made 9 sales. The previous day was 13th of August, where I made 7 sales. So yeah, I'm just trying to show you that this thing is really true. It really works. For 10 days when I placed the Facebook advert, I was making sales every single day. And let me show you my sales for the 9th day, which is 13th of August. So scrolling down my Expertnaire account, you can see 13th of August, 15,000 naira, 15,000 naira, 15,000 naira. How many sales now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, go to the next page, page 2. That is the sale I made on the 13th of August. Now look at 12th of August, I made sales. 10th of August, I made. The 8th of August, 7th of August, I made sales. Now, for the duration of 10 days, how many sales did I generate? Okay, I generated a total sales of 36. So 36 sales times 30,000 naira gives 1,080,000 naira. Now my 50% commission as an affiliate was half of that, which is 50%. So 1,080,000 naira by 2 means that I got paid 540,000 naira in 10 days, 500,000 naira. I mean, I'm telling you that if I give you this system, you'll be able to make crazy amount of money. Some people say, oh, she's just talking, or I've been scammed before, this thing doesn't work. See, we get paid by Expertnaire every Friday. Okay, so in case you're asking, when does Expertnaire pay? So anytime you get paid, you receive an email message. So you can see from Expertnaire, you receive the payment, and look at the day, look at my calendar. 2nd of August is a Friday. Okay, let's start from July. 19th a Friday, July 12th a Friday, July 5th a Friday, okay, and so on. Look at the August 2nd a Friday. Look, I got paid money on August 2nd. The following Friday, August 9th, I also get paid. So you get paid every week. Not that you have to wait. If you are working somewhere, you have to wait for 30 days before you get paid. No. As an affiliate with Expertnaire, you get paid your money every single week. And this is why I want to help you. I want to show you how to do this so that you can be successful. I want you to work with me personally. All right, now let me click on some of these email messages I received of payment. So the first one, it says you've received a payment of 76,000 naira Onome Maureen. All right, let's go to the next one. Hello Onome Maureen, you received a payment of 87,000 naira. Woo! Let's go to the next one. You have received a payment of 188,000 naira. These are payments paid to me every single week. Let's look at the next one. You have received a payment of 321,000 naira. Woo, woo, woo. So this is something that can happen for you too. Now, the previous week, I received a payment of 151,000 naira. Now, this week, let me tell you how much I'm going to be paid. Look at it. It says next payout is 227,000 naira. And I get paid every Friday. Every single Friday. So the question you may be asking yourself or asking me now is, so how much did you spend for your Facebook ads? Just $500. Now, how much is this in naira? So let me bring out my calculator. All right. So 500 times 365 is equal to 182,500 naira. That's how much I spent. So with 182,500 naira in ads, I made 540,000 naira as commission. Now, what is my profit? Well, we're going to use the same calculator to show you how much I made. So my profit is 540,000 naira minus 182,500 naira. So I'm just going to subtract minus 540,000 equal to 357,500 naira in 10 days. 10 days, not even up to a month. Some Nigerians don't even earn this in 30 days. Some earn 30,000, 50,000, 200,000. I just did this in 10 days, meaning that for the next three times in a month, I can do 357,500 naira times 3. Now, the thing is, you can do this too. You can start from where you are. In fact, don't say, oh, I don't have 182k to invest in ads. No, you can start with 30,000 naira, 50,000 naira, 100,000 naira, and you'll be able to make maybe double of this amount, even triple of this amount. All right, so this is something you can do. Okay, this is not Yahoo, this is not 419. No, this is legit online business. How do you get started? Well, there are two ways you can get started. The first one is to get my training, get my free training that explains what this business is all about. Once you get the free training, you're going to see the two ways you can get started. It's either I help you set up your own affiliate online business, or I give you a training that's going to help you. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? There are other Nigerians who are making this kind of money online legitimately. See, you do not need to leave your house, from your own house. See, I don't talk to people on the phone. Nobody calls my phone number they want to talk to me. No. I'm a very busy person. I only give my phone numbers to my paid students. So once you come on board, maybe I help you set up your affiliate business, or you get the training, I'll give you my personal WhatsApp number. You can call me, you can chat me. I'll even add you to my WhatsApp mentoring group. All right, so get the training, sign up for my free training, and get started. It's Onome Maureen here, and this year you can make your first 1 million naira, your first 5 million naira from the comfort of your house. Scroll down, keep reading below to see how you can get started. Look in the description box for how you can get my training and get started. I look forward to working with you. I look forward to mentoring you. So go ahead now and get a training. Peace out.